to an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Very good morning to you and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney, Australia. Now the Australian share market looks set to open lower this morning. Stress in the banking sector is being closely monitored for its potential to trigger a credit crunch, a US Federal Reserve policymaker said yesterday, as a European Central Bank official also flagged a possible tightening in lending. The SPI futures at home are pointing to a 0.04% fall. On Friday, the Australian share market closed 0.2% lower at 6,955. Looking at business news from this morning now, and IOUpay reports that search and seizure orders have been executed in Malaysia against the company's former CFO, Kenneth Kwan Chun Hujing, and 3 other individuals associated with him. In addition to the criminal investigation into Mr. Kwan, the company has started civil proceedings in the High Court of Malaysia to identify and recover assets. The search and seizure orders, known as Anton Peller orders, were granted to the High Court on the 21st of March and authorised IOUpay's lawyers to enter premises without notice, accompanied by an independent supervising lawyer and independent forensic technicians, to search and seize documents and evidence. Australia's InvoCare has rejected a $1.2 billion bid from TPG. The company concluded that the $1.81 billion offer from US private equity firm TPG Global failed to provide compelling value to its shareholders. InvoCare currently is not ready to grant TPG Global access to its books. TPG have an interest in 19.9% of the InvoCare shares on issue via a combination of physical ownership and derivatives. The Bank of Queensland today announced the appointment of current Executive Chairman Patrick Allaway as Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, and current Non-Executive Director Warwick Negus as Chairman of the Board, effective from today. Mr. Allaway will step down as Chairman and will take on the role of Managing Director and CEO for the period up until December. The search process for a long-term CEO will continue to allow further time for consideration of a wider pool of external candidates and the further development of internal candidates. Well, it's time for a quick break now, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.41%. The S&P 500 rose 0.56%, while the Nasdaq ticked up 0.3%. Stocks rose on Friday after a volatile trading session. The Deutsche Bank's share price collapsed 8.5% on Friday, following a significant rise in the cost of insuring its bonds against the risk of default. Across the Atlantic, European markets closed lower. London's FTSE fell 1.3%. Frankfurt lost 1.7%, while Paris also closed 1.7% lower. In Asia markets, Tokyo's Nikkei lost 0.1%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 0.7%, while China's Shanghai Composite closed 0.6% lower. Brent crude is down 1.2% at $74.99 a barrel, and spot gold is down 0.8% at $1,978 an ounce. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.